And now, Rich Bitching. Oh, hi, darling.
Well, hello, Marilyn.
Oh, hi, Caroline. You're looking very lovely today.
Thank you. You're looking lovely.
Oh, I don't feel lovely.
Well, I haven't seen you for years. Do tell.
Oh, you wouldn't believe what happened to me last week. My husband lost all his credit cards on one afternoon, and I had to drive into town. And I didn't have any gas for the rolls. I had to drive a Mercedes. It was disgusting.
My God.
Oh, my friends all thought I was so poor.
Yeah, you really need to shave.
Oh, thank you.
Well, let me tell you what's been going on with me.
Really?
Last year, I had an episode where our gardener was busy, and he was supposed to take little Foofy for a walk.
No.
But I had to take the dog for a walk.
You touched the dog.
I touched the leash. Well, the dog pooped in the yard, and I had to clean it
Oh,
up. Well, let me
no.
tell you, I had to take a
No.
month to Tahiti just to recover from that little episode.
Well, that's nothing compared to the horrors I had last weekend. Oh, you wouldn't believe what I had to go through.
What?
Oh, my God.
Yes.
I had to cook an egg. I did.
By yourself?
Yes!
Oh, my
I'm
God.
horrifying.
Well-
Have you ever used one of those contraptions called what is it? A stove! My God!
Honestly, you didn't have time to shave.
Oh,